Yeah. Ask me after, because I don't know. I have to come look at it. I don't know. Okay, so we are ready for math today. Why is this being difficult? Come on. Unencrypted connection. I don't care. Okay. So this week, oh, will you guys pull the door shut because I can hear Miss Delk really loudly. Okay. First, this week we have learned about greatest common factor. And with greatest common factor, that's the one where we compared two numbers and we figured out what all we multiply together to get that number. So if I said 28, what are some things that I can multiply together to get 28? Parker.
7 times 4.
Parker says 7 times 4. Sophie. 1 times 28. Anything else? Let me go to a virtual friend. Virtual friends. Anybody have anything else to add to that?
2 times 4.
2 times 20. 2 times 20. No, 2 times 14.
14. There you go. Okay. 2 times 14. 3 times anything?
Nope.
4 times anything? 7. 5, no. 6 times anything?
6. No.
7 times 4. 8 times anything?
No.
9, 10. Okay. So that's probably that. All right. And then let's see here. Let's do the number 16. Okay, what can I multiply together to get 16? Fiona, give me something.
8 times 2.
8 times 2. Okay, what else? Kaylin.
1 times 16.
1 times 16. What else? Sam.
4 times 4.
4 times 4. Is there anything else? Well, I like to go in order. That helps me. 1, 2. I've got that. 3 times anything? No. 4. Yep, I've got that. 5 times anything? No. 6 times anything? No. 7?
No.
Nope. 8, I've got that on there. 9, no. 10. Okay. So factors that they have in common. They both have 1s. They both have 2s.
We'll have 4s.
They both have 4s. Do they have anything else the same?
No.
What's my greatest common factor?
4.
The 4. Okay. All right. Greatest common factor. That's where you list the multiplication problems and find the greatest number. There you go, the greatest common number. Okay. Now, then yesterday we did least common multiple. And for least common multiple, we had 2 numbers. And then we had to list everything like we were counting by that number. So if I did 3, the multiples of 3 are 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7. I could go on and on and on, right? So for when you're saying multiples, you're pretending that you're multiplying that number times everything. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4. And so you're listing all of the different multiplication facts that go with 3. And so then if I said, okay, I also want to compare it to 5. What are the multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 89, 90.
Got it. Okay, and then once I do this, then I've got to look at my list of numbers and I've got to compare them and find the smallest thing they have in common. And in this case, Sophie, what's the smallest number they have in common? Sophie says 15. You guys agree?
Yes.
I agree as well. All right. Okay. Let's do a couple more of each. And I'm just going to put a problem on here, and I want you guys to solve it. And then we're going to do our worksheet. Okay, so let's go. We're going least common multiple. So that's where you list all the multiples, what we just did. Okay, and we're going to do least common multiples of 6 and 8. All right, so you're going to list out all the things that 6 could be multiplied by. 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. That'll help you. So I could say, okay, I've got 6, 12, keep going.
Miss Bab, I've got it.
Coming to you, Josie. Yep, you got it. Parker, you got it.
What are the numbers?
6 and 8.
Oh, got it.
Yep. Kendall, yep, you got it. Yep, yep. 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 Other people other than Josie and Kendall, anybody online got an answer?
Kane would have it.
Okay. Where everybody went. Okay. What I'm seeing from almost everybody. Oh, somebody gave me an answer. Can't see it. You're what? You're the observer. Well, how do I know if you're learning?
Who's the observer? Kane.
Kane. He says he's just observing today. He's just observing. All right, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. I could keep going. 8, 16, 24, 32. I could stop, can't I? 24. Good job. I think almost everybody got it. I don't think anybody didn't get it.
Except the observer.
Except the observer that didn't give me an answer. Okay.
I thought we had to do 2 like on my worksheet.
That's okay. All right, let's do another one of those. We'll do 3 and 4. I might have just made this really hard.
This round, no, you didn't. Look. That was easy.
Got it.
Whoa, some kid is flying in our room.
Yep.
Is this common, greatest common
Josie,
factor
yes.
or multiple? Is this
This is least common multiple. Least common multiple again.
I couldn't see the number. Did I get it?
Hang on.
It was 3 and
3 and 7. Least common multiple. Yep, right.
7. I already knew what. Oh yeah, 7s are easy for me because I'm football. I didn't.
Least common multiple.
7, 15, 20, 8, 35.
Miss Bab, Kendall answered.
I'm coming back. I'm trying. My board is being.
Natalia.
No.
I know.
Kendall, your numbers might be in the wrong order. Yep.
Oh no, not that again.
Yep.
We watched that later today.
All right, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 7, 14.
21, 28.
Whoa, boom.
I already knew my 30.
Done.
I only had behind threes.
Okay. All right, let's go back to greatest common factor. Let's do a couple of those. We're doing greatest common factor now. So this one's where we're doing the multiplication problems and listing the multiplication problems, okay? Why is there a child just staring in this window?
There's one in that window.
Oh, that's crazy.
They're going to that window.
They keep going to both
Hang on,
windows.
hang on, Becca.
That's Dominic's
He keeps
cousin.
switching.
Stop. Okay, sorry, there's like silly little third graders like peeking in our window.
That would probably
It's a little creepy, a
What's
little
who-
creepy, just like little faces.
Miss Bell, close that window.
They keep going back and forth.
Yeah, and then when I look over there, just pop it down really fast.
Not distracting at all, little creepers. Okay,
Thank you.
all right, here we go. Greatest common factor. Sorry about that, guys. We're gonna do 16.
Ooh.
And one.
16 what? Then it's just one.
Miss Bell. 2. Oh, I thought it was going to be 2. Miss Bell. Oh, no.
On this one, you're looking for what two things equal 16. So you're looking for 16.
Oh,
16. 4 times 4. What else equals 16? 1 times 16.
Wait.
2 times something. Okay, so I could say 1 times 16. 1 times 24. I'll get you started.
Oh.
But what else?
Miss Bell. I got it.
The multiplying one, guys. We're doing the. Yep. 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 Yep.
Miss Bab.
Nope, bigger.
Bigger? Oh, yeah.
Okay, now which one do they have in common? The biggest one that they have in common. All right, here I come, Joes. Kendall, you've got it. Josie, you've got it.
I want to see.
Good job, Josie.
Oh,
Parker Pooh, Sean Pooh.
Comma.
Right, you've got it. There you go, Magnadoodle.
water.
Magnadoodle.
I'm gonna do good on this quiz.
Yeah, Sophie got it.
Are we gonna be doing a quiz or just a worksheet?
It's just a worksheet. It's not a quiz. It's just a worksheet.
Okay.
Yep, you got it, Zico. All right, so I've seen a large portion of my friends. So 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4 are the factors of 16. 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Okay, the greatest number they have in common then is the 8. 8 is our greatest common factor here. All right, guys, how are we feeling about this? Oh, yeah, BG had it. I didn't see it.
No.
Okay. All right,
You guys want to learn?
we're ready.
No.
All right, so it is worksheet time. I will let you guys go work on your worksheet today. It is half of the problems are greatest common factor, and the other half are least common multiple. Do your best. It is for a grade. I will see you guys for science in about an hour and a few minutes. Okay? All right.
School.
Dogs.
Bye.